Alright everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, our great friends over there at Grilloholics sent me something in the mail this week, and I got home from work and this is waiting for me in a nice box, and it is called Herbacious Hen. I'll tell you what, I tasted this. It's got notes of rosemary, citrus. It's like a poultry seasoning on steroids. And go back here to the one. Here it is. It's got a little bit of heat to it. A little bit of heat to it. All right, so we're going to give this a roll today. And as always, you know, Cooking with Corey, use my link down below in the bucket. You'll get 20% off that. Let's get going with this video. We're going to use some split breasts. I got 3 of them here. Stovetop, some jerk sauce, some Cholula, some butter. And this is what I just did with the stovetop. All I did was added some water to it and got it to that place. We're going to stuff our breast with that. Let's get this going next. All right, folks, I hope you can see this. It's raining, so I'm underneath our little thing we got on our back deck here. So I don't know. Hopefully this doesn't turn out as dark as it looks on my camera. It usually doesn't. So we got a split breast here. Looking good. Skin on. Bone in split breast. And we just want to pull our skin up here a little bit. Get in there with our knife and make a nice deep slit all the way across there like that. So we open it up like that so we can put our stovetop stuffing, which we only use water with. Just take a box of stovetop, add a little water to it till, you know, it gets manageable. All right, we might season this up a little inside with some Herbacious Hen first. All right, we got our split breast, and we got our take some of that Herbacious Hen right there from Grilloholics. And like I said, you can get you a bar list, 20% off. Use my code in the bottom there. Nice little good old code inside there. And we'll take some of our stovetop stuffing. We will just stuff that cavity full of that. A couple big handfuls. Don't be shy. Get it in there pretty good. Like so. Looking good. We'll take our Grilloholics Herbacious Hen, and we're just gonna coat the crap out of this sucker with our Herbacious Hen. All the way around, with the side, with the stuffing, the bottom, you name it. Don't forget to coat it. And coat it well. When you are done, it should look something like this. Here's where our stuffing's at. The bottom. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Never be shy with seasoning. There we have it. We got all our 3 breasts done. And, you know, they were pretty cool there at Grilloholics. And I didn't even get down to... What was that? I didn't even grill or whatever. So, you know, like I said, 20% off. Use my code. Let's get these over to the Weber Kettle next. Alright, before we hit the grill, I'd like to give a little spritz of some grilling Pam on those. You can use olive oil. Alright, we're back at the Weber Kettle. And now we're using the Grilloholics bristleless brush. Not only can you get some delicious rubs, whatever, from Grilloholics.com. With 20% off, use my code. They make some good grill brushes, etc., etc., etc. And these are the kind that doesn't even leave those little threads of metal on your grill. Anyway, go from there. And now, let's put on our chicken boobs. Here we go. Delicious. Put some there. We're going to set the stuffing away from the heat source. Like so. And like so. I'm doing it this way because I got a lot more stuff to add to this grill later. I know we got the corn and stuff down there. Hey, leave a comment below if you want me to go through all this other stuff I'm going to be doing. This video is basically on the chicken boobs, so let's go from there. We got them on. Just lid this bad boy up. Go from there. I forgot. We want to add a little bit of smoked fat. Applewood chunks right over the vortex because we're running the vortex. Because I like to run a vortex. Alright, while our chicken breasts are back there cooking, That's 1/2 of a stick of butter melted, and Cholula to your taste into that. It's just gonna be a little glaze. We're gonna use that jerk on the other one. I was originally going to be doing wings today, but the store we went out today didn't have a frickin' chicken wing in sight, believe it or not. Should have went to my store. I had plenty, but whatever. And just go ahead and put a solid tablespoon of our delicious Grilloholics Herbacious Hen in there, and give that a stir around. That'll be a good glaze for one of those chicken breasts, don't you guys think? Come on, folks, that's going to be delicious. That might set up a little bit. If it does, then I'll just give it a little nuke in the microwave. But for now, that's wonderful. And then on one of the others, we're going to use this jerk blend, spice aisle. I saw it at the store today, and I love jerk, so we're going to give that a try. And the other one, we're just going to leave plain. We'll probably only taste this one. We are holding 350, and obviously that's at the top, so I know it's hot there on the bottom, but we're holding steady. And it's rated. All right, here we got it. We're about 20 minutes in. Just setting up fine. Looking good. Got a little other stuff on there. Like I said, I'm going to go over that other stuff later. Leave me a comment. We can do that. But I still got to get a piece of salmon on here for chin. These are looking good. Great color on them. I did open the bottom vents up a little bit. I want to get it up there around 400 to get some more heat in there. So we're open on top. We're open on the bottom. Just let it rip. I don't know if you can see it, but now we're pushing 400. So it's going to be better. All right, we've got our breast here. Let's take some final attempts here. See, we're done, but stick her in there and see what it does. Actually, I start it. You gotta reactivate it. There we go. You can go in there. Here. There we go. 157, 159. Yep, that's good. All right, here we go. Here's our chipotle and butter. And it did break because I put it in the thing, but we'll bring it back together here a little bit. Nice little glaze on the top there. Oh yeah. That's going to be spicy and delicious right there on our breast. And we will get our delicious Jamaican jerk right here. It's pretty runny, so we're just going to pour it over the top here. Like so. And it does. It should look green, and it does. And I'm happy for that. Alright, the other one, we're just going to leave as it is. And we're going to give it 10 more minutes, and we'll go from there. Alright, here we are. Let's get them off. A little stuffing out of this bad boy over here. Here. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah. Jerk over here. We're not going to do that stuff and just laying around. Put it back in there. Alright. Let's go do a taste test. Alright, this is the original chicken breast. Look at that. Get that stuffing coming out of it. And then get you some chicken with it. Oh yeah. In there. Get some. Look how moist that chicken is. A little stuffing with it. It's raining like a dickens around here. But we got this to eat. I'll tell you what. That chicken is off the chain good. Smart chicken. Good chicken. Look at that. That's a bite of old bites. Alright. I'd like to thank you folks for watching another episode of Cooking with Corey. Order my food here. And enjoying life. We'll see you next week.